Here's Karina Savage. Good morning. I love that name.
Good morning, Nat.
Very
Great
cool.
to see you both.
You too. Let's start with the muffins.
Yes, we have 4 Healthy Kids recipes here today, and these are all great recipes to add nutrition into our children's lunch boxes. So to start off with, we've got our carrot muffins. So for home, you could also add walnuts to these, but for school, these are great because these not only have carrots, but they also have zucchinis. So great way to add veggies into your child's lunchbox. It takes the pressure off veggies at dinner time. So I actually had a mum last night saying to me that she loved this recipe. I said, well, they're going on live national TV tomorrow. So they're a really good way to get some nutrition into your children's lunchbox.
Like a carrot cake.
It is.
This is healthy?
Yes, it is healthy.
Yum.
That's
very low sugar.
That's a good one. Tick.
While he's eating, I'll head to the pizza scrolls. These look fantastic for kids.
Yes, they are a great savoury option. And what I love about them is they're loaded with herbs. And herbs are really underdone, I think, in our children's lunchboxes and also dinner, because herbs are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and a really great way to add nutrition into our children's lunchboxes.
You've got to try it.
Yeah, absolutely. Good for their immune systems over this winter months.
Okay, how are they?
Yeah.
Kids will love that.
Yeah.
It tastes like a pizza.
Yeah, perfect. Which
Mini
is,
pizza.
Which is what we
So
want.
good.
Yeah.
Now these are for adults and kids. by the look of it.
Absolutely, I love these. These are my daughter's favourite, actually. These are loaded with fibre. They've got some chocolate in there just to make them really extra tasty, but they
you have one of
are
those.
really...
No, he's got to
You try it. You try
No,
it.
they're fantastic. So not only are they delicious, but they're really healthy. Really good, rich source of fibre. Good for gut health. So, yeah.
Okay, I'll
As a
try
treat,
that.
you don't need to feel
Bliss
bad about it.
balls, they look like mini lamingtons, don't they?
They are. They're fantastic. These are nut-free, so again, great to send to school. Rich in fibre, and these are actually a good source of iron, which is really important for energy levels and brain development in young children. They've got blueberries. They're a very healthy option for the lunchbox. If you've got, half an hour on the weekend to make some... yeah.
And they'll last the week?
They'll last the week, yeah. If you could just, a little bit of time on the weekend, just so you've got some things to throw into their lunchbox during the week, just to sort of go with all the packaged foods that they like to have.
They've got wheat bix in them.
These ones do.
So
These
could you
ones
actually,
do.
could that be a little breakfast snack on the way to school?
It could be for children that have early morning sport. It would be a really good option just to throw some of them into a lunchbox.
That is such a good idea.
good.
I love all these. These are, and they're actually achievable and things that kids would actually eat.
Yes.
Which is fantastic.
It needs to be. It needs to be tasty.
Delicious too.
Chevo needed breakfast, so this is actually really handy.
That's
So-
absolutely my pleasure.
Well done. Thank you so much.
Karina.
No
And of
worries.
course, you can find all of the recipes on the Sunrise website, and they're all delicious.